bare metal backup and restore is a process of backing up an entire PC or server, including the operating system, software applications, and data settings, and then reinstalling that data on a bare metal machine. Bare metal backup and restore offers an efficient way to protect the whole system and recover after an unexpected crash or hardware malfunction. Synology's Active Backup for Business is an integrated backup solution that supports bare metal backups for Windows PCs and servers, allowing enterprises or individuals to back up important digital assets to a central Synology NAS and protect their PCs at the system level. To start, you will need to install the Active Backup for Business package. You can find the complete list of compatible NAS models on Synology's webpage. Next, please go to download.synology.com to install the following desktop utilities to complete the whole process: Active Backup for Business Agent and Active Backup Recovery Media Creator. Note that Active Backup for Business Restore Wizard is included in Active Backup Recovery Media Creator. Only those who want to customize their boot image need to additionally download Active Backup for Business Restore Wizard. Log into DSM with the administrator account and launch Active Backup for Business. Depending on the device type, go to PC or physical server in the left column to create a backup task. You can also use templates to deploy backup tasks to selected users or groups. Once they log into Active Backup for Business Agent, all the pre-configurable templates will be automatically applied. To create a template, go to Settings, Template, and click Create to configure your settings, where you can set up applied users or groups and device type, PC or server. Click Next, select Backup Type as bare metal, and check Detailed Settings, Backup Schedule, and your retention policy. Click Apply to complete the template settings. Launch Active Backup for Business Agent and enter the server address and credentials to connect to your NAS. Once connected, your backup task will be performed following the set schedule. Within the agent, general users can directly click Restore Portal to go to the self-service portal, where you can use Timeline to locate your recovery point and perform file or folder level recovery. To perform bare metal restore, you need to create recovery media first. With Active Backup Recovery Media Creator, you can choose to create media in major formats, USB and ISO. With one click, it automatically generates a boot image for Windows PCs and servers easily. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to create USB media and use it to restore your Windows system. Insert the external USB drive to your device and click Create. If this is your first time using Active Backup Recovery Media Creator, follow the wizard to install Windows ADK. After inserting the USB media, press F2 to enter the BIOS mode right after powering up your PC. Note that this hotkey might vary between different vendors. Next, navigate to the Boot tab and prioritize Removable Devices if you're using an external USB. Exit the setup to continue the restoration process. Then, Active Backup for Business Recovery Wizard will guide you to complete the whole recovery process. Enter your NAS address and credentials to connect to your backup server. Make sure your internet is connected at this step. Follow the wizard, select the device, task, and backup version. After confirmation, the recovery task will start immediately. When the recovery process is completed, you will then be asked to remove the recovery media from the device and restart or turn off your computer. When it's done, the Windows 10 computer will be successfully restored. With Active Backup for Business, you can restore your entire Windows device to certain points from backup files easily. Aside from Windows PCs or servers, with compatible Synology NAS, the Active Backup Suite can also back up VMware, Office 365, and G Suite without additional license costs. To learn more about Active Backup Suite, visit the link in the description.